Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to bring to my channel, and I'm so glad. I have been eyeing this one for so long, and that is the Merrier box. Do you want to see what's inside April's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, this is the Merrier box. I just signed up for them this month. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get this month or not because they do customize one of the items. I got an email from them the other day saying, you know, due to the customization, it took a little bit longer, but your box is now being shipped. And I was like, oh, that's cool. I really didn't know if I was gonna get this month or not because I think I ordered on the 12th. But I have been watching Miss Lovely ABBADABBS unbox this for so long. And I am always trying to jump on this bandwagon, but now I finally did. And I think I purchased a 6-month subscription. So look out for 5 more of these babies, and then probably I will be doing some more. Now, with this particular company, they do itemize one of the items. So I went ahead and put my first name being SheCrafty, and I explained to them I would like my channel name to be on it because I don't have anything with my channel name on it. And it would be cool to get some really neat items that has SheCrafty on it. So let's see. Let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about this box because that's what I do when I first bring a brand new box to my channel. Now, Merrier is $29 a month plus $6 shipping. If you use SheCrafty, you'll get 10% off. Me time delivered. All the pampering goodness you need delivered to your door every month. Keep them for yourself, share them with your bestie, or give a sweet gift to someone special. What's in the box? Merrier is a luxury-inspired lifestyle monthly subscription box service that features full and sample-size products, which is from skincare, makeup, jewelry, stationery, snacks, tea, and everything in between that appeals to the modern-day woman. So again, you can follow the link that I will put down below, use SheCrafty, and get 10% off. So that is awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into my first one. Let's see here. Alrighty. So, why do the cards always fall out? I guess because I tilt them like this to show you. So it says a thank you sticker right on top with this really pretty pink tissue paper. And then here must be April 2019 Spring Fling. Bloom into the new season with beauty must-haves. And on the back, it tells me what they are, and it does give the pricing, so that is awesome. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we got. Okay, so right on top, I see a yummy gummy bears. Who doesn't eat gummy bears? I love me some gummy bears. So that is awesome. Then we have, L'Oreal Paris 8-hour inflatable gloss, new 8-hour. That is awesome because why? If you follow me, you know I'm not a huge lip product person, so the glosses are perfect for me. So I'm so excited to get this particular color. Now on here, it says L'Oreal inflatable 8-hour Le Gloss, $9. So let's see here. Here's the applicator. Oh, glossy. So there's item number 1, because I'm sure the gummy bears wasn't an item. Those are probably just a little goodies to add. Next we have in here Be Kind Products Floral Hand Balm. That is really cool because I really love any type of lotions, moisturizers, skincare, face stuff, like anything like that. I love it. So it is completely sealed. This is Be Kind Floral Hand Balm, $15. And it looks a little chunky. And it is a thick, like, it's a nice creamy, like oily type consistency. That would be really good for a hand balm. Ooh, yes. Yes, that is a really good hand balm, you guys. And it does have like a little bit of, I don't know if it's maybe like some type of oil, because now my hands are nice and shiny but they're silky smooth, shiny. And it has a good scent to it too. So I am loving that. So second item, I'm loving. Doesn't really say anything about the item, but that's cool. So now that I got a little greasiness going on, I'm sure it'll soak on in. Ooh, I see a palette. This is the Athena eyeshadow collection. Bad Habits, $14. There is the outside, the back, and I will never complain about getting a new palette. Like I don't have enough already, but you could always use another one. This is a really pretty package. And that's Bad Habits. I don't think I have anything at all from Bad Habits. Ooh, this Athena palette is really pretty. There we have it. So, and it has a good size mirror. Let me go ahead and set this aside for a second. Okay, let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys really quick. Oh my goodness, this is really pretty colors. I don't even want to touch them. I really like how, I don't know if you noticed, but it's like shimmer, 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 shimmer. These are all like shimmers and then mattes. So it's like shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. I don't know, it just looks really cool. Okay, you guys, so this is the entire palette. This one right here is a glitter. Like I shoved my finger thinking I was just gonna soupy soup and it went all up in there. But there is the entire palette and it is chunky. It is really chunky, I must say, but it is very pretty. I like all these colors together. And you have the shimmers, you have the mattes. I really like this colored palette. I'm not mad at this palette whatsoever for being chunky because I think those colors are really pretty and I can see them working, being blendable. I can see that. So that is the Athena Bad Habits 18 color collection eyeshadow palette. So that is really cool. Next item, ooh, another palette, Mermaid Glow Highlighter Collection. Ooh. Mermaid Glow Highlighter Palette and, oh, by Face Candy. Face Candy. This one is $12. Ooh, so there is the outside. Very pretty packaging by Face Candy. It has a good size mirror. And then look at these colors, you guys. That is really pretty. And I don't have a highlighter palette that has purples like that. And I normally don't do a whole lot with highlighting, but I am going to keep this because this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me go ahead and swatch this on my hand for you guys. Whoa, yes. Look at that, you guys. That is gorgeous. Look at those colors. And I've never heard of this brand. I've never heard of really either one of these brands, but I'm really liking that. Since I have a coral color on, let me kind of put this gleam. This looks like a kind of a pinkish. Whoa, that is a lot. Ooh, I see that. Hello. You see that? I see that. Whoa. Very, very pretty. All right, you guys, I have one more item in here. We got 2 palettes in here. That is awesome. 2 palettes, a hand balm, which this hand feels so good. I don't want to whoop-de-woo this one because it's, look at that. Bling, bling. Get your sunglasses on. Blind in. It's electrifying. One more item right here, you guys. So this must be the personalized item. And again, I don't know if they actually did personalize my item this month, but I see my name. They did. Ah, what is this? Hello, beautiful. It looks like a little blurb like, hello, beautiful. This is really cool. It's like a little dish. You can put your rings. You can put anything in there. And it says, SheCrafty. Who crafty? SheCrafty. That is so cool. This is my very first item with my channel name on it. So that is awesome. So you guys, what do you think about the Merrier box? Again, I have been eyeing it for so long, and I'm so glad that I finally jumped on board. And I'm glad this was my first month because I got 2 amazing palettes, a highlighter palette. We got this, again, this gorgeous mermaid glow palette that I'm actually excited for, a highlighter palette, you guys. We got this Athena eyeshadow palette, which is amazing colors. Again, look at all of that. Then we have the Be Kind lovely hand cream or hand balm. We have the thing with my name on it. We have the cool little, just my color, nice and what is this one? The Glouse. And of course, don't forget my gumma bears. So you guys, comment down below, let me know, did you think this was a good box? I really do. Again, this is for April. I got it late only because I signed up late. So next month I should get it right on time whenever they normally do ship. We shall see. And we should see what we get for next month. Because again, I think I did 6 months. I think it was 6 months. So let's see what we get in the next few months. And I'm so excited. Again, I will have them linked down below. SheCrafty will get you 10% off this amazing subscription box, you guys. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I will see you on the next one. But don't forget, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. Bye.